When you have roofing problems, it can be such a stressful situation. At Beemer KangaRoof, we just care about helping people. Roofing for us is just a tool to be able to do that. When our phone rings, people are well on their way into a stressful situation. So when our guys show up, they're highly skilled at solving roofing problems, but they're also really well trained at being able to bring peace into what's already a stressful situation and help people.
At Beemer KangaRoof, we pride ourselves in transparency in our process. Our team gets on your roof every single time, and they take photos of any kind of problems that they find. It's really important to us to sit down with you and go over those photos and show you exactly what's going on with your roof. Then we'll present you with options, pricing, and a plan to fix that. Our on-site supervisor's entire job is to make sure that your project goes to plan. Exactly what you were sold is exactly what happens. We want you to know that if you have questions throughout the process, that's what they're there for, to make sure that at the end of the project, you are happy and feel like you got exactly what you paid for.
Nobody budgets for a surprise leak in the middle of the night or even a storm that comes out of nowhere, and not everybody is going to be able to pay for their big project with cash, and we understand that. That's why we do offer financing with all of our repairs or replacements. Our customers love our Overhead Care Club. The benefits include a yearly inspection. We get on your roof, we check out all the vulnerable parts of your roof to see if there's any maintenance that needs to be done. We clean out 50 feet of gutters, which is a big deal if you have a high or steep roof. Lots of trees in the area. We offer a 10% discount on any repairs that are needed. And if you do have to have repairs done, we insure and guarantee those repairs for the life of your roof for as long as you're in the club.
If you currently have roofing problems, call us today. We're ready to help you. We have a team that is ready to serve you. If you think your roof is in good shape, give us a call. We'll help keep your property beautiful.